Hi, it's Jurgen Welsing from Cryptocurrency Academy. I'm here together with Martin from Gaimin, and yeah, we're just wondering, or our audience is wondering, what are you doing?
We are building an application for gamers so that they can passively mine cryptos and accumulate the top crypto coins without it ever affecting their gaming performance. Yeah? Gamers, as we know, have the ideal computers, CPUs, the ideal resources to mine a bunch of the 600 mineable cryptos. So the whole aim is we're building an application that links the gaming community and the mining capacity with blockchains. Okay? So blockchains need miners. The gaming community would love to earn a little bit of passive additional income so that they can help pay for their hobby, their passion of gaming. Yeah. We're the platform in the middle. Just like Uber is the platform in the middle that connected the supply of drivers and cars with the demand for people who wanted a ride and a better user experience than they were getting with taxis. Yeah. We're the Uber of crypto mining.
Okay. And then I have another question, because I like to play games just on my mobile, but I'm not really a gamer. Yeah. But can I also participate in this?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. You know, the 600 mineable coins, they can be mined with GPU, CPU. Okay. Yeah. So part of our whole plan is we have something called a network expansion program. So one of the big restrictions on people mining individually is that you're limited to the personal hash power that your computer has. So people who are building little mining rigs at home, we're always adding on extras, right, to increase their personal hash power. Yeah. What we've decided to do is incorporate a network expansion program. So you contribute some of the resources that you've got passively. Yeah. You tell a few friends about it, a few people who got computers, gamers, whatever, they tell a few people about it. You get 10% of their hash power in addition to your own personal hash power. So if you tell a few people, you tell a few people, and quite comfortably, especially in the gaming world, where in-game chats and people are continuously referring things. Yeah? So it allows you to earn way beyond your own personal capacity. Yeah? So we're not saying you're only going to earn what you are capable of contributing to hash power. You could quite easily have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 100 over time, just through the natural social sharing that happens in gaming, and then a small percentage of the hash power of those as well. Okay.
Okay, that sounds interesting, because I have some friends and they could also contribute. So basically, if I have 100 friends, I have 100% extra.
You're doing 10% of those, so you'd have 10 times the equivalent. 100 person, 10%. Yeah, you'd have 10 times the mining equivalent.
Yeah. Okay, that's very interesting.
Very important point as well is when we're mining. The platform that we're building, that we're very close to the beta release now, it does everything. You don't have to know anything about mining. One of the problems about mining is there's a learning curve. You've got to take into consideration a whole bunch of calculations to mine effectively. We've got a machine learning application. You download, install, instantly you're mining with a pre-configured, after an analysis of your machine, pre-configured to get the maximum resources from your machine with the minimum downside effect and no effect when you're gaming if you're a gamer. It's very efficient, very effective. It's the equivalent of a chess playing game for crypto mining. It takes all the possible options. Hash, the available hash power, the mining pools, the profitability calculations, the mining rewards, all the calculations that you need to mine effectively. Does it all for you. Mines easy coins to mine, but we may not want to keep those coins. So what it does is it takes those coins and flips them into Bitcoin, Ethereum, the top coins that we do want to keep.
Okay, so you have APIs with all kinds of exchanges to flip the coins. One of the things that is also intriguing me is that, when I've been mining, and when you have a mining computer and you want to change coins, you have to put in a different software. So how did you implement that?
All of that is managed from our end, okay? You don't have to do anything. No. All of that is handled. You're contributing hash power. We handle all of that. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to know anything about mining or crypto. You download, install, forget about it.
Okay, and then one of the other things, because safety is one of the things that's very, very important within the crypto. So how can you guarantee? Because I install something on my computer, which is, to be honest, is scary anyway, always. So how did you how do you make sure that we can trust that software?
Mining software right now, a lot of mining software is based on it's open source.
Yeah.
Okay, so people know what's in there. You can be a little bit more confident with it. Now, while ours won't be open source, it's the open source. It's got an open source base on it. We understand. Don't forget, I have a 17-year-old and a 14-year-old, a 17-year-old and a 13-year-old who are gamers. Yeah. I wouldn't let them download just anything onto the. I just paid a lot of money at Christmas to buy them, new gaming computers, right? Yeah. So they know, and I know, and our developer knows. If we have flaws in security, our business is over. The gaming world is one massive community with everybody's got hundreds of friends. Instantly chat to them. We understand.
It's going to break down.
We've no business. Security is paramount.
Yeah.
Security is paramount in every aspect. Yeah. In the safe storage of coins, the institutional level cold storage facilities for coins until people know enough to download them. Okay.
Yeah,
at every point, security is paramount. We're bringing on board team members whose only task is oversight of security at every level in our company.
Okay, that's cool. And I've also been wondering, I have a computer. I share some of my hash power. You said it doesn't influence my gaming performance because basically, I'm not going to use it if it does.
Yep.
But how can you see how much hash power I'm using?
All transactions, all hash power contributions are recorded in our blockchain. Our blockchain is what a blockchain should be. It's an enormous ledger. All activities recorded. So everything, every part of that contribution from the hash power, from yourself personally, from the little network that you build through the network expansion program, it's all recorded on the blockchain, nice and clear, nice and transparent.
Okay, and I've just been hearing basically when I do it for a year, how much uptime do I need to get approximately with the current value about $1,100-$1,200 a year?
Listen, we're not trying to make somebody hit targets. What we are introducing is gamification. Gamification is the process whereby you take an app or a piece of software, you add gaming elements to it, and it helps people take more activity because they're more engaged, okay? It builds loyalty, they're more engaged. Yeah. So, we've got kind of mapped out a visual analysis, a visual view of the software where the user will literally see a miner, okay, digging a hole. And they'll see at a certain depth a reward.
Yeah.
Okay? So this is motivating. Yeah, they know how far they've got to get, they know how far they've gone. Yeah. So there's no mystery about where the rewards are. As you start to introduce people, you'll see those people pop up on your visual chart as well. There's a whole bunch of little guys digging holes, and you'll see your network starting to accumulate tokens. Okay? So this is the gamification. We believe that we don't want to tie people to their own hash power. So to hit the target of paying for your gaming computer every year and getting yourself a nice new one, if you can share this and it kind of spreads a little virally, we don't think it's going to be that difficult, especially not because the results we achieve with the efficiency of our mining software is many-fold mining software that you install, set and forget.
Yeah. Okay?
Now then, until we've data, well, we can't give you a concrete answer. Yeah?
No.
Until people are running it and we can produce data. And of course the mining software, because it's machine learning, okay, which is a branch of artificial intelligence, until that acquires more and more data to learn from, again, our results aren't optimal.
Yeah, okay. And you're going to do an ICO, of course, but you want to...
We plan a token generation event, a TGE.
Yeah, TGE,
that's the plan, but right now we're not at that stage. Before we take it to the general public, we don't want to take a vision, an experiment, a test that may or may not work to the general public. Okay? We're going to have a working model with beta users. We've got beta users lined up. We'll have a working model. The business is incorporated. We don't have to do all that type of thing. We've got team members on board. We don't need an ICO to go and pay for them, right? They're all on board. It's all self-financed so far. We're now at the stage of bringing on board private investors. Yep. Okay. And private investors will take us to the next level. We'll have all of our concept evolved, a working model. When we go and present the public with the opportunity to buy at a token an official public token generation event, the funds from that will allow us to scale. That means we can go. You've seen today Kim Rom, the advisor we just brought on. Yeah, we brought on him so that we can go and sponsor or have our own esports team. Right. So when we get the income from the TGE, it's to scale.
Yeah.
It's not to test an idea. So right now, we're more focused on developing our product and building our business and running a TG, an ICO, a TG.
Yeah. And I understand. And but to be honest, I advise all my viewers basically not to invest if there's no prototype at least. Yeah. So you can have a beta version, which is good. One of the things I'm going to get a token. Is that because you're selling? You said I'm doing the top 10. Kind of market cap tokens or coins. That's basically what I'm focusing on. Is the token that I will be getting from you? Is that kind of an index token from all those coins?
Our token, we're obviously listed on the exchanges. Yeah. So we don't know where it's going to go in terms of value. But our token is our internal token. Our community will have a marketplace. And the tokens, all the transactions that will happen between members, buying and selling swords and shields and powers and things between themselves for all the games, okay? That's all our token. The payment for access to the actual software, that's the utility token. So that's our token. Okay. Our token is our own internal token, but as I say, we'll be on the exchanges. It'll trade out there.
Yeah. Okay. Another question. I'm going to mine, so we'll just get the payout in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and things like that.
You will see if you want to log in and check your software balance, log into your software, check your balances. You will see a balance that we hold for you in cold storage. Okay. Because most gamers, they don't understand seed words and this and that and download and a ledger and a Trezor and how to keep everything safe. So we're going to keep it institutional level, cold storage, completely secure. Yep. When they're ready, when they understand how to look after it themselves and take personal responsibility, they just log in and download it to their own personal wallets.
Yeah, okay, but to answer shortly, basically, I'm going to get paid out in the top coins that you will be mining.
In the top coins that we think will have the best chance for long-term survival, because we know that most of these aren't going to work. Yep. So the best long-term holders. Yeah. Okay.
And one thing, I don't know if I heard it already, but what are the requirements for the private investors at this time to enter your private sale? Or
we're at an event here in Holland. We've opened it up to 2 levels of investors. People who are just looking to invest a couple of Ether or Bitcoin or something right now themselves. That's one specific offer. We've also got a private investor offer, which is a minimum 100,000. We only have a limited number of slots. We've already, a few of the slots have gone here today, but that gives people a chance to be part of the company as well. Okay. So those rewards they're significantly more advantageous, of course.
Yeah. Okay. And do you already know when the crowd sale is also going to start, or?
No, we don't.
No. Okay.
We anticipate. We've got a timeline, obviously. Yeah. We just updated it these last few days.
Okay.
And we've kind of got a Q3, Q4 this year.
Okay.
Yeah, 3rd, 4th quarter. That's the plan. Probably Q3, but we're in no rush to do that. As I said before, it's much more important for us. We're focusing on building a business. We're not focusing on running an ICO. At TG. We're focusing on building a business. Yeah. So that'll happen when we think everything's ready to be scaled.
Okay. I think we got all the information that we need. So Martin, thanks a lot.
Thank you very much.
And we will put more information concerning this proposition on the website. And we will see you. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye now.